There has been a study, 45% women who were part of that survey have opted to go for a childless, marriageless life.
सिल्वर लाइनिंग देखो यार कि 2030 तक कोई ऐसी आंटी नहीं बचेंगी जो आपको बोलेंगी कि बेटा शादी का क्या प्लान है। आंटी आपकी भी तो नहीं हुई है।
This entire 370 rupees की बिरयानी वाला thing happened. इस रिगार्ड में जब मैं ये चीजें सुनती हूँ ना कि हाँ मेल लोनलीनेस एपिडेमिक चल रहा है तो मेरे को लगता है कि हाँ भाई चलेगा ही.
It is not the comedian or the commentator that should be villainized, but the mindset.
It's really sad because a part of me does believe that there are great men out there.
I have seen men in 2026 bring flowers and chocolates on the first date. You know, a guy remembering that you had a blood test today and wishes you is everything.
That is so sweet. That's happened?
I don't think so. It's just randomly made it up.
Himanshu, take note. These stories are okay to make up.
Not every woman is here to take advantage of you or take that property from you which you don't have.
यार लड़कियों को सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद आता है एक लड़के में?
किसने बोला ये?
गरीब आदमी ने किसी.
Not every woman is a gold digger. How can you be like, अगर इसके साथ आगे कुछ नहीं हो रहा तो I don't care how the date goes. No.
Correct.
Be intentional about the kind of mark you leave on somebody, yaar. And I'll tell you about the marks good men have left on me, right? So
That sounds so.
अरे यार.
First dates, जहाँ पे you got the ick.
He was like, I really want to have pizza. It's this place 5 minutes from my place. Why don't you come? Picking a place which you want to go to, which is 5 minutes away from your place, which serves the food that you want so much for. Hey, I'd love to take you out. What cuisine would you like? I'm coming to pick you up.
The date was coming to an end and he'd offered to drop me home. हम लोग गाड़ी में बैठे हुए हैं. He parks the car at the side of the road and he stops. While the car stops, my heart stops because I'm like, what is coming? So have you heard of this concept that's being talked about? It's called the male loneliness epidemic.
I sort of have, but I'd love for you to tell me more about it.
So from whatever I gather, I think it's about this entire environment that has sort of been created, जहाँ पे a lot of men are feeling lonely. And I'm sure that there are branches to it, you know, there are different factors that contribute to it. But the crux is that across the spectrum, like बहुत ही ऐसे वाइड रेंज में लड़कों को बहुत ही अकेला बहुत ही लोनली फील होने लग गया है एंड ऑफ कोर्स सोसाइटी हैज़ अ रोल टू प्ले इन इट बिकॉज यू नो सोसाइटी हैज़ नॉट मेड अ वेरी कंड्यूसिव एनवायरनमेंट फॉर मेन टू एक्सप्रेस अ लॉट सो आई थिंक अ पार्ट ऑफ इट कम्स फ्रॉम देयर सो बहुत ही ऐसे पॉप कल्चर में एक टर्म डिवाइस कर दिया इसके लिए इसको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए इस फीलिंग को एंड इट्स कॉल्ड द मेल लोनलीनेस एपिडेमिक दैट दिस इज द एपिडेमिक दैट मेन आर फेसिंग राइट नाउ इन दिस जनरेशन.
You know, this reminds me of a lot of content that I've been reading recently. Reason being that June is Mental Health Month for men. And mental health apparently, although men is the one gender that actually largely laughs on the, you know, idea of mental wellness. And they don't really take it seriously, at least not as seriously as women. But sadly, mental health issues are most commonly found in men.
Yeah.
And I recently read that 80% of suicides are men. Actually, I spoke with this one of Delhi's top psychologists, and she's a practicing psychologist and therapist, and she told me this very interesting thing because I was very curious to understand the difference between male psyche and female psyche. And she's like, yes, it is true that women are more equipped with their emotions and what they are feeling, and men somehow they don't take notice of it only. उनको पता ही नहीं उनके अंदर क्या चल रहा है, grief है, anger है, sorrow है, क्या है उनको पता ही नहीं है ना वो address करते हैं, which is why most women will know that they are depressed and they will seek help also. They'll talk about it to their friends also and they'll be just fine. They'll talk about depression. They'll know that they're depressed. They'll still turn out fine. They'll still live a life and they'll still turn things around. Men, on the other hand, will never talk about their mental health. They won't even know that they're depressed in the first place. But one day, you'll find them hanging from the roof.
Yeah.
And all of that is why, because they're just so not in touch with their emotions. Also because, like you said, society does have a role to play in it because we never allowed them to express in the first place or talk about their emotions. She told me, so many men, they look fine, they are earning fine, they're successful men, but they'd meet a girl and they'd be sitting in front of me and they'll be like, but why would she pick me? They just don't have the confidence.
Yeah.
And I was so shocked when I heard this because, you know, what is your understanding or my understanding? What do we talk about? That, you know, the confidence of an average man, you know, if we had that, we could rule the world because, you know, men somehow, their audacity is through the roof, right? There are so many men who just come, reach out and they just, you know, take the hit and be like, wow, यार इनमें बहुत confidence और हमें लगता है कि लड़कों में at least लड़कियों जहाँ पर लड़कियाँ कंसर्न होती हैं, they really don't lack confidence. In fact, they always go for women who are out of their league, and somehow sometimes they even crack it, right? The reason I'm talking about this is because relationships in general, I believe, could be a reason behind male loneliness epidemic. Like most men, they depend on their significant other, their spouse, for emotional support. Like for example, talk about your father, talk about my father. They have friends, they have family, but do they ever go and really talk to them? They always come to their wives to talk about the more important things in life, the deeper things in life. Now, because more and more men are single, and they've called it upon themselves that they're single, you know, they don't have that significant other to open up to, and you know, which may be a reason why they feel so lonely. But you tell me, what do you think is the reason that they're lonely?
Well, I think that there are a lot of reasons why men feel lonely, and from whatever conversations that I have had with so many men on the other podcast, I think I've come to realize कि a lot of them don't know how to express. First of all, उनको बड़े होते हुए किसी ने बताया नहीं है कि तुम एक्सप्रेस करना की एक ऑप्शन भी है या नहीं है, राइट? क्योंकि बहुत सिंपल होता था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ माई ब्रदर एंड आई, इट वॉज ओके फॉर मी टू क्राई, right? It was okay for me to throw a tantrum, it was okay for me to cry, but for my brother the unsaid rule was कि bro suck it up, मतलब कर भाई इसको. क्या मतलब वो पिटता था, वो प्यार अगर उसको पीटते थे तो भी पॉइंट ये था कि काम कर, अगर उसको प्यार करते थे तो भी पॉइंट ये था कि काम कर, बट कोई उसको इतना ज़्यादा रूम नहीं देता था एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक इट वॉज अ गिवन कि अगर कोई बात कन्वे करनी है, एक्सप्रेशन इज माई डिपार्टमेंट, कि आई कैन थ्रो अ फिट, आई कैन बी क्रेजी, बी सिली, बी स्वीट, बी whatever, but my brother has to be के हाँ भाई मेरे को तो काम ही करना है. So I think that transpired while growing up as well. And let's suppose कि चलो ठीक है, over the years बहुत सारी conversations हो गई about men open up, men it's okay to cry, men it's okay to express yourself, men it's okay to ask for love, ये सारी कॉन्वर्सेशंस कर ली. बट अ लॉट ऑफ मेन देन हैव कम बैक टू मी विद अ रिपार्टे कि तुमने ये बता दिया कि इस पेंडोरास बॉक्स को खोलना कैसे है, बट भाई खोल के जो सामान निकल रहा है उसका करना क्या है. सो अ लॉट ऑफ मेन आर लाइक दैट नाउ दैट वी आर वल्नरेबल एंड दैट वी आर ओपन, वी डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू. And at this point, honestly, women also don't know what to do, because I think nobody thought that far ahead. कि हम कितनी बारी relationships में भी we tell the men that, oh my god, you're so emotionally unavailable, but I can count on my fingertips the number of times I have gotten a little scared when the guys have gotten a little emotionally available. In the beginning, it does seem very appealing. It does seem, oh my god, wow, is this, does this exist? And but एक point के बाद we're like कि भाई it's too much, don't do that. So I think कि there is a lag from both the
हमने
ends.
बेचारों को कहीं का नहीं छोड़ा है ना, वो इधर के ना वो इधर के, वो बीच में कहीं पर तो
वो
struggle
बीच
कर रहे
में
हैं.
अपना एक बॉक्स सा खोल के बैठ गए हैं ऐसे फैला के सारी चीज़ें, एंड वो सारी इमोशंस स्पिल हो गई हैं. एंड आई थिंक इसके बीच में और बहुत ज़्यादा सब कल्चर में जा के एक और chaos सा फॉर्म हो चुका है, much similar to the chaos that we saw right now on social media, where this entire 370 rupees की बिरयानी वाला thing happened. And I think no points for guessing where we stand on the topic, because I think just listening to that story, and I remember how you told it to me actually, उसने डेट का बिल पे किया, चिकन बिरयानी मंगवाई भाई ने 370 रुपीज़ की, 370 रुपीज़ दिए, और अब उसको था, उसका मेन टारगेट था कि हाँ ठीक है वसूलना तो है. And I remember watching that reel later and it made me sick to my stomach. And lo and behold, it made everybody sick to their stomach, and I don't blame them. तो इस रिगार्ड में जब मैं ये चीज़ें सुनती हूँ ना कि हाँ मेल लोनलीनेस एपिडेमिक चल रहा है, तो मेरे को लगता है कि हाँ भाई चलेगा ही, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो हाउ टू बिहेव, हाउ टू रिएक्ट, हाउ टू टॉक टू women on a first fucking date.
I think the most important thing is that you don't see women as women.
Yeah.
उनके साथ बात करना, उनके साथ ठीक से बिहेव करना तो बहुत ही बात की बात है. आपको औरत ही नहीं लग रही है, आपको वो इंसान ही नहीं लग रही है. यू थिंक ऑफ हर एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट यू कैन जस्ट पे अ प्राइस फॉर, बट दैट्स नॉट रियली हाउ इट वर्क्स. एंड आई हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टेक ऑन दिस दैट वी हैव पिक्ड वन गाय, right? We've picked one Himanshu, we've picked one comedian, right? And we as a society have come together to collectively villainize them. But हर घर में एक हिमांशु बैठा है जो ऐसी बातें कर रहा है. हमको वो लोग दिख रहे हैं जो एक्टिवली सामने आके स्टैंड ले रहे हैं, बिकॉज सडनली इट्स कूल to
to cancel people,
and it's
or
content.
it's
content. Let's
Correct.
face it, आधी दुनिया आज की डेट पे content creator है, and everybody's creating content, and this is working. So they're just doing it. But the number of people who'd actually side with Himanshu, know where he was coming from and be like, यार मैं भी तो ऐसे ही सोचता हूँ, मैं भी तो ऐसा ही करता हूँ.
Right.
Those are the people who will never come in front of camera and, you know, take his side. So मेरे हिसाब से it is not the comedian or the commentator that should be villainized, but the mindset. Because the sad truth is that this mindset exists.
Yes, unfortunately
Right?
it does.
It does exist.
Yeah.
So until you get there, until you find a woman who's so important to you that you want to spend on her, I feel if your pocket doesn't allow, if you really feel that 370 rupees is such a huge amount for you, by all means split the bill, brother.
हाँ
By all means.
हाँ, split the bill or go for like having a vada pav or go for having golgappe.
Yeah.
Just take a walk. पैसों की चलो, पैसों की बात ही मत रखो, मत खाओ पियो भाई. अगर तुमने अपने खाने पिलाने का ये नतीजा लेके आना है तो भाई खाओ पियो ही मत. तुम लोग आजकल रन क्लब्स बहुत चल रहे हैं, ठीक है, पीपल लव गोइंग फॉर अ रन.
Yeah.
Go for a run, go for a walk, go for anything that a place like Delhi or a Bombay or any city for that matter allows. But हाँ, अगर इतनी प्रॉब्लम है तो ये चीज मत करो.
Yeah. आपका एंड गोल ये नहीं हो सकता इज व्हाट आई फील. और अगर आपका एंड गोल ये है देन यू नो व्हाट पीपल हैव बिकम सो फॉरवर्ड about what they want. They've
Yeah.
become so honest about what they want. Women and men collectively are owning up to the fact that they are just looking for fun
Yeah.
at whatever age, and they're actually openly talking about it on apps.
Yeah.
Right? So by all means pick a person who's also in it for the same reason.
Yeah.
But if it's not that, you have no right to take a girl out on a date with that end goal in mind and use your food as currency for her consent.
Yeah,
That's not cool. That really isn't cool. Imagine how that girl, that particular girl in question, would have felt when she saw that online.
Yeah.
And how any girl would feel जो during the date or towards the end of the date कहीं ना कहीं एक commodity की तरह feel करती है.
Yeah.
Right? Imagine you put all of that effort trying to look good for a guy and you go in with the, you know, so much feelings
and
and
childlike
excitement.
excitement.
Right?
Yeah.
And then towards the end of the date you feel that, okay, you know what, this guy probably thinks that,
Yeah.
you know, he's going to get
Correct.
something from me and he's bought my consent with this.
Correct.
You know, so it's such devaluation of the sentiment is what I feel.
Yeah. But वैसे, you know, it did remind me of the dates that we would go to when we were younger. कि ठीक है, not exactly in the same capacity, but do you remember your own dates where something like this has happened or has made you feel like this? Let's try to recall some of the dates, first dates, जहाँ पे you got the ick.
Honestly, I don't think, touch wood, I don't think I've ever been on a date where I felt like this person, you know, is trying to buy my consent or he's spending on me with the intent that, you know, he's going to get laid. But at the same time, if ever I've been on a date and I felt like this person may be shallow or he may not be operating with the best intent,
You've made sure.
willingly, voluntarily, you know, and with all my
Physical might.
physical might paid for the bill, even if the guy wouldn't let me pick the check. But at the same time, talking about experiences that gave me the ick, there was this one guy and he was a friend. So, you know, he asked me out on a date, but then I was like, you know, I'm just meeting you as a friend, but whatever. And this guy, he lived in Vasant Kunj.
Okay.
Right? And I live about 30 minutes far from
Correct.
Vasant Kunj. And he was like, I really want to have pizza. It's this place 5 minutes from my place. Why don't you come?
Bro, minus points.
And believe me, Sadhika, I have no problem. In fact, you know, we've talked about this in one of our previous episodes that I would never want to be picked on a first date, right? Because of safety concerns and nobody should know where I live and all of that. It's just private information. But this guy is somebody that I'd known for years. That is one. The other is that it technically wasn't a first date. I'd met him and he saw it as a date. मेरे मन में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. But the fact that, you know, imagine that this is, you know, men are like chivalry, like loneliness epidemic कैसे नहीं आएगा, you know, on a lighter note. आपका loneliness epidemic कैसे नहीं आएगा? Chivalry आपके अंदर खत्म हो चुकी है. There's a girl that you've kind of liked for years now. Right?
And you finally have a shot.
And
with
you
her.
finally have a shot because even as a friend, she's agreed to come see you. And you're like picking a place which you want to go to, which is 5 minutes away from your place, which serves the food that you want so much for, hey, I'd love to take you out. What cuisine would you like? I'm coming to pick you up. No, nothing. And when I say that this guy should have ideally come to pick me up, because I understand and I know for a fact that what kind of background he comes from. For him to pick up his car and to come pick me up was no big deal, you know. And the fact that, you know, this is the kind of effort that men are operating at. It's
Where
just
is the
sad.
effort? What effort?
Right. There's no effort. See, that is what. There's no effort. So, please tell me that if this is how you're operating, however, do you feel that, a woman would be willing to come be one with you, give you that wholesomeness, bring sentiments and emotions into your life, bring that warmth into your life? Because,
Yeah.
relationships are earned. And I'm not saying that, I'm happy to go and meet a guy wherever he wants, but, this situation should justify it.
Yeah, I mean, it's really a tough market out there, and
I mean, even as a woman, for example, if there's a guy who doesn't drive, let's say, right, or who doesn't own a car, right, who lives very far, and it's going to be too much of an effort for him to come, right? So even as a woman, let's say if I have to meet a guy who lives very, very far, and I am planning the date, and I know that he'd come pick me up, just out of courtesy, I would pick a place that is mid-distance. Even if I have to take my own
Fair.
cab and go, even if it is difficult for me, inconvenient for me, and I know that the guy will happily drive down an hour to pick me up, I will just out of courtesy meet him midway to make it convenient for him. Tell me about your
my experiences.
experience, which gave you the ick.
Oh my god. It almost feels like sometimes that I've blocked out so many of my past dating experiences because बहुत सारे अच्छे तो नहीं रहे हैं, but ठीक है, कुछ entertaining तो रहे हैं, so at least we have some stories. So okay, this one time what happened was because we're on the topic of money and everything, I met a guy at a wedding. ठीक है, and he was cute, he found me cute, and we exchanged numbers, and then later, once the wedding was over, he asked me out, and I said yes to go on a date. So we went on a date. It was a nice, decent date. I wouldn't say that it was 10 on 10 and it was like very engaging or intellectually stimulating, none of that. It was a very decent average date, but I had sort of made up my mind कि हाँ ठीक है, मैं एक बार ही मिल ली, बट ऐसा कुछ कोई एक्स फैक्टर नहीं था. देयर वाज नो रीजन टू कम बैक टू हिम, देयर वाज नथिंग दैट आई वांटेड टू नो मोर अबाउट हिम. सो आई वाज लाइक हाँ चल ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, इट्स फाइन, दिस इज हाउ यू ट्राई इट आउट. एंड द डेट वाज कमिंग टू एन एंड एंड ही ऑफर्ड टू ड्रॉप मी होम. सो आई सेड देन या थैंक यू सो मच. श्योर. तो हम लोग गाड़ी में बैठे हुए हैं और हम लोग जा रहे हैं. अच्छा, आई हैव मेड अप माई माइंड दैट आई एम नॉट गोना गो ऑन अ सेकंड डेट विद हिम, बट आई हैव नॉट कम्युनिकेटेड इट टू हिम इन एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ वे बिकॉज आई जस्ट फील लाइक कि अभी तो डेट खत्म हुई है, इल बी सच अ बज किल इवन फॉर हिम. ठीक है, मतलब यू हैव टू लेट पीपल डाउन ईजी. सो आई वॉज लाइक कि मैं अभी चिल करती हूँ, फन करती हूँ, बाद में जाके मैं बहुत पोलाइटली उसको मना कर दूंगी. इफ एट ऑल ही आस्क्स मी आउट ऑन अ डेट. एट दिस टाइम आई वाज अज्यूमिंग कि हाँ सेकंड डेट के लिए तो पूछेगा ही. तो एनीवे, गाड़ी में है, सडनली आई सी इट्स नॉट अ रेड लाइट, बट ही पार्क्स द कार एट द साइड ऑफ द रोड एंड ही स्टॉप्स. While the car stops, my heart stops because I'm like, what is coming? And my mother would watch too much Crime Patrol, so I was like कि क्या हो रहा है भाई, एकदम से मेरे एंटीना ऑन हो गए. तो उसने गाड़ी रोकी, उसने मेरे को फटाफट बहुत ही ऐसे, पता नहीं कुछ एक्सेंट सा था उसका, कोई साउथ दिल्ली रिच बॉय एक्सेंट था उसका. तो उसने मेरे को ऐसे बोला कि या आई एम जस्ट गोना बी अ मिनट, आई एम जस्ट गोना लाइक आई हैव टू गेट समथिंग. एंड ही वाज वेरी अर्जेंट एंड वेरी पैनिक्ड. आई वाज लाइक या ओके श्योर. सो ही गॉट आउट ऑफ द कार, वॉकड आगे कोई बाइक पे रुका हुआ था भाई. ठीक है, वो भाई के पास गया, उसने भाई से कुछ तो लिया, मुझे नहीं पता क्या बात हो रही थी, क्या था. आई वाज जस्ट सिटिंग एंड वेटिंग फॉर हिम इन द कार. द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई नो ही कम्स बैक एंड ही इज लाइक कि अच्छा बेब, यू गॉट कैश राइट, सो वुड यू माइंड जस्ट लाइक कैन आई बोरो अ couple $1,000 and I'll return it to you. एंड वो मोमेंट मेरे लिए इतनी अब्रप्ट थी कि मेरे को समझ भी नहीं आ रहा कि क्या कह रहा है, क्यों कह रहा है. एंड आई वाज लाइक हाँ श्योर. तो फिर मैंने अपना बैग खोला और मैंने उससे पूछा, मैंने कहा हाउ मच डू यू नीड, एंड ही सेड आई नीड 3,000 रुपीज़. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके. सो आई टुक आउट द कैश एंड आई गिव इट टू हिम. इज लाइक ओके थैंक्स. वो गया बाइक वाले के पास, उसने उसको पैसे दिए, फिर वो आया, फिर वो बैठ गया. मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं थी फर्स्ट डेट के बाद कि मैं उससे पूछूं कि हाँ भाई तो फिर क्या किया, पैसे का क्या किया, तू दे तो बाद में दियो, कोई बात नहीं, बट अभी हुआ क्या है इस पैसे से.
पैसे मांगते हो घर जाती.
अरे बट उसके पास नहीं थे तभी तो उसने मेरे से लेके दिए, तो अभी उस मोमेंट में तो कैसे ही देता. अच्छा वैसे भी आई एम वन ऑफ दोज पीपल, देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल, वन हु आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट टू टॉक अबाउट मनी एंड वन हु आर ऑन द कंप्लीट ऑपोजिट एंड ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रम. आई एम द ऑपोजिट एंड. मेरे से पैसों की बात नहीं हो पाती. तो मैंने कितने लोगों को पैसे ऐसे लैंड करे हैं और मेरे को कभी नहीं मिले वापस, क्योंकि मैंने कभी मांगे ही नहीं उनसे. तो बहुत नेचुरल था कि मैं मांग तो नहीं सकती इससे, बट पॉइंट था कि मैं पूछ भी नहीं सकती क्योंकि मैं क्यूरियस तो थी कि क्या हुआ है. उसने भी राधिका मेरे को आगे कस्टमरी भी बताया नहीं कि उसने वो पैसे कहाँ यूज़ किए, क्या हुआ, कुछ हुआ. उसने मेरे को घर ड्रॉप किया, मैं घर आ गई. वो दिन है और आज का दिन है. आई हैव नॉट गॉटन एन एक्सप्लेनेशन और माई मनी बैक. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि उसके अगले दिन ही मैंने उसको गोस्ट कर दिया. He dropped me a couple of texts. I dropped him a couple of texts back. Eventually, later on, I told him that, listen, I don't think it's working out for us. I don't think we're the right people for each other. Blah, 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 blah. अरे किसी point पे तो you should have brought it up and you know, figured it out, but then he didn't.
This is so shallow.
Yeah.
This is so shallow. तो तूने भी उससे फिर बोलना था ना वसूली.
हाँ, कर सकती थी मैं, but ठीक है, यही difference रह गया है हमारे अंदर.
That is true.
But you know, like, I do agree कि I think एक छोटी कैपेसिटी में एवरी वुमन हैज़ फाउंड हर सेल्फ इन अ स्पेस जहाँ पे उसने एंटिसिपेट कर लिया है, जैसे तूने बोला कि इसके इंटेंशंस वियर्ड हो सकते हैं, तो मैं अभी अपने पैसे दे के जाऊँगी ताकि वो सिचुएशन ही क्रिएट ना हो. या फिर एक्चुअली में वो सिचुएशन किसी तरह क्रिएट हो गई वेयर अ वुमन हैज़ फाउंड हर सेल्फ टू बी प्रेशर्ड इन टू डूइंग समथिंग. एंड आई जस्ट थिंक that's really sad because I do believe, a part of me does believe that there are great men out there.
Oh yes, I agree. I have had some weird experiences, one of which I talked about, but at the same time, largely my experience, I won't talk about relationships, but just dates, have been good.
Yeah.
Have been good. I've met some incredible men, and in fact, you won't believe. So it was only this year, right? I was completely off the market for like good 3 years, and I was not even meeting men, let alone talking to people or being in situationships. Not only was I single, I was not talking to anybody, like, you know, no situationships, no
Yes.
talking stages, no nothing. And then, you know, it was only this year in the beginning when my parents were like, beta, ab time ho gaya, kuch to karo. So I was like, fine, kuch karti hu. And it was only for a month because, you know, that was lean period for me. We were not shooting the podcast and the brand was also, you know, a little slow at that time. So I was like, fine, you know, this is my time to actually go out. And it was just that 1 month. But in that 1 month, I met a couple of people, slightly more than a couple. And I'm sorry, but all of them were really, really great.
Yeah.
Like, really great people. Now, just talking about the money factor, उसके बाद मैं बाकी aspects पे तो बाद में आऊँगी. Talking about money factor, of all the people that I went out with, there was just one guy, the first guy that I met, that I split the bill with, and I wholeheartedly wanted to. Firstly, I've talked about this. Talking stage mein to I anyway believe that, you know, you should always split the bill because you don't know where it'll go from there. And, you know, you don't want kisi ka burden apne pe, and you don't want the guy also to feel burdened, right? Now, that guy was my age, but he clearly was struggling in his career and he was finding his ground. So I willingly paid, and, you know, he was also very much on board with it. But the overall date experience was very nice. He did not try to hold my hand even once. He was respectful. He was sitting at a decent distance. It's not like he was a wuss and he wasn't flirting. He was making eyes at me and he was flirting, and there were eye contacts and there were the cute little conversations, and the date was really, really good. And he respected the fact that this is just the first date. So he maintained his distance and he offered to drop me back home. But then when I said, no, I'm going to go back myself, he respected that fact too. And he just let me go, and it was a very pleasant experience. I never met the guy again. But, you know, if I look back at it, you know, it's a pleasant experience. But talking
लड़के
about
बेचारे रोएंगे, वो बोलेंगे कि प्लेजेंट एक्सपीरियंस के बाद भी अगर सेकंड डेट नहीं मिल रही है तो सेकंड डेट मिल किसके बाद रही है.
यार देखो, आगे फ्यूचर का किसी को नहीं पता, राइट? डेट्स पे नॉट कन्वर्ट इनटू रिलेशनशिप्स, राइट? बट I think we owe it to other humans, especially the ones that we liked in the first place, to give them a pleasant experience. Is what I feel.
I think
And this
standalone as
goes
an
both
experience
ways.
it should be
है ना?
good. हाँ,
कि
हाँ.
जरूरी नहीं है आप, हाँ यार, how can we be so selfish as humans is what I feel. How can you be like, अगर इसके साथ आगे कुछ नहीं हो रहा तो I don't care how the date goes. No.
correct.
Be intentional about the kind of mark you leave on somebody, yaar.
Yeah.
You know? And I'll tell you about the marks good men have left on me, right? So
That sounds so
अरे यार, good marks on my head and heart. Internal, not external. The good one. So this was one case. Now the other guys, I'll tell you the things that they've done for me. I have gotten flowers on the first date, literally first date.
I love when that happens.
I have gotten chocolates on the first date. I have seen, like, you know, the men, they would very, very clearly know that nothing is going to come out towards the end of the date. They're getting absolutely no action towards the end of the date, right? You just know. If you're meeting somebody, you just know what the girl is like, what she stands for, right? And even when it was plenty clear that nothing is happening, they were so clear that Bill is not your department. You just don't get to pick the check. I'm sorry. There are also men, who happily pay for bills and they do not expect anything in return because they were raised in a way कि नहीं, अगर आप लड़की के साथ बाहर लेके जा रहे हो, लड़की को आप बाहर लेके जा रहे हो, आपने उसका टाइम लिया है, आपने उसका इंटेंट लिया है, तो this is just something you can do. And those men were like, we can afford it ना, तो कर लेते हैं, इसमें क्या है, इतनी कोई बड़ी बात ही नहीं है. And one of these guys that I met, he said that यार हमको तो इतना ही पता है कि डेट नहीं भी जा रही, कोई बात नहीं, लॉस मानो, बट पैसे तो हम ही देंगे, लड़की नहीं देगी. इट इज जस्ट नॉट, आई एम टेकिंग हर आउट, आई एम द वन पेइंग. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. आई हैव had men offer to pick me up, and on the rare chance that the equation had proceeded to a point where they actually did come pick me up, and I was okay with them coming pick me up, they got out of the car to receive me. And honestly, I think that is one quality that a lot of men are missing. I've seen it very rarely, right? And
Underrated.
it is so underrated, and I'm telling you, if you want to leave a lasting impression on a woman, guys, this is something you really need to start doing. You have no idea. This doesn't cost you anything, and the girl will remember. And I'll tell you why. Firstly, I remembered it. Then this other friend of mine, female friend, she recently went on a date, and the guy she went on a date with did the same for her.
Aww.
Right? And she remembered. Now, this is the guy she went on a date with in Canada 3 weeks ago. But 3 weeks later, of all the guys she'd gone out on dates with, which were plenty in the last weeks that she was in Canada, she just remembered this guy for the fact that जब वो उससे मिलने आया, उसको लेने आया, he got out of the car to receive her. And I think this was, and I, she felt the same way that I did.
Yeah.
I'm not in touch with the guy. I did not like the guy. Ultimately, it turned a little sour. But even today, I look back very fondly at that one thing that he did. I have had men remember my order. The first time I met them, they remembered my order, and the second time I was meeting them, before I arrived, my order was there on the table. Now, these are the things that I personally thought people had stopped doing, but apparently people are still doing this.
Yeah.
So you tell me about your good dating experiences.
I think there have been a lot of cute dating experiences with me. For example, I'll just tell you very randomly, with little context. Okay, this one time I was talking to this one person. At that time, we were still, maybe not friends, but acquaintances, and we were just randomly talking, and we were talking about how both of us are beach babies. Like, I love the sea, and he was one too. And I often say this one thing कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं पिछले जन्म में एक mermaid रही होंगी, क्योंकि मेरे को इतनी ज़्यादा ऐसा खिंचाव है मेरा ओशन को देखते ही, and I'm really fascinated by underwater, conspiracy theories as well. So I would always say that, I feel like I would have been a mermaid in my past life and everything. So acquaintances say, when we decided to go on the first date, when he met me, he got me a mermaid pendant. And I just thought that it was
How
so sweet.
cute is that?
Yeah, and the fact that he remembered something
Yeah.
so minute in a conversation, and that attention to detail also,
Yeah.
because, I have in my heart, I put a lot of significance to, what do you say? Inside jokes. I think inside jokes, if two people have inside jokes, it could be two friends, or it could
Yeah.
be, couple. I just feel like that's quality right
Yeah,
there.
and it's marker of intimacy, I
Yeah.
feel. Yeah.
तो एक ये वाली चीज़ थी. दूसरी वाली चीज़ थी कि not exactly to impress me, but I'd once gone out with a guy, and it was very evident that he had a soft spot for me and he liked me, and he knew the fact that I would have a particular drink. ठीक है, उसको पता था कि मैं whiskey पीती हूँ. तो उसने he made sure that he called for the best whiskey that there was on the menu. Not Shivers, not Black Label, not Gold Label. He called for a blue label. And I was like, "Okay, bro." और मैं उसको उसी मोमेंट में मना कर रही थी कि listen, don't do it. This does not mean anything. तू मत कर, तू please chill कर, पैसे बचा, कुछ भी वो कर. And उसने बस simply, और उसने बहुत casually मेरे को बोला कि यार आप chill करो ना, मैं आपके साथ नहीं पीऊँगा तो मैं किसके साथ पीऊँगा. So let me. I feel like having it with you, and it's all that matters. So it's okay. It's an experience for us. And the casual ease with which he said is what really, stayed with
yeah.
me. कि उसके लिए कितनी nonchalant सी बात थी. पैसे की तो बात ही नहीं है कि तुम किस ब्रांड की वो कर रहे हो, बिल कौन पे करेगा.
Yeah.
It's just कि वो emotion कितना प्योर था
right.
कि भाई ये experience
Yeah.
आपके साथ ही करूँगा तो किसके साथ
It's
करूँगा.
not about how much the bottle was worth. It's about the experience you want to give to the person you
Yeah.
like, right?
Yeah.
It's that you want to go for the best
Exactly.
for the person that's in front of you, right? Nothing but the
Exactly.
best for the girl I like.
Yeah, and
So it's the sentiment behind it. Yeah.
this is why women fall head over heels in love with guys, or they get attracted to guys जो simply इतना भी कर देते हैं तो भी हम लड़कियों को लगता है कि oh wow, जैसे अगर लड़की को अंदर की तरफ चला दिया एक बिजी रोड पे और खुद
Yeah.
बाहर की तरफ चलने लग गए, जाकिर खान ने अपना पूरा सेट बना दिया इस चीज पे कि लड़का चाहे चुप क्यों ना हो, बट उनको लगता है कि oh wow कितना अच्छा लड़का है बिकॉज मेरे को अंदर की तरफ चलाता है. So these things matter.
These things matter, yes. I think for women, how we are made to feel at the end of the day is everything.
Correct.
Right? A
Yeah.
guy remembering your order means everything.
Yes.
A guy bringing you a very small gift, probably worth 500 rupees, just because you casually mentioned it in a conversation and there's
Yeah.
a context to it, like you said,
Yes.
you said the moment context means everything.
Yeah.
A guy remembering that you had a blood test today, right, and wishes you is
Aw,
everything.
that is so sweet. That's happened?
I don't think so. It's just randomly made it up. But
Wow.
no.
Himanshu, take note. These stories are okay to make up.
No. But I'll tell you what did happen. A guy remembering that you have your shoot today, your own brand's shoot, and wishing you that very day when you've just talked is
Yeah.
everything.
No, I
Right?
do agree that. Yeah.
So-
I think there are beautiful men out there. We've encountered such beautiful men, and not always in a romantic capacity. So many times we've just observed so many people around us, even in the office. Like they're such great people.
Yeah. Also,
But then-
a man sending you a period pain belt just
Yes.
because you mentioned that your periods are very hurtful
Yeah.
is everything.
Yeah.
These things matter. But coming to your point, Sadhaka, I do feel that there are beautiful men doing beautiful things out there, giving us beautiful date experiences. But when it comes to a relationship, that is where I feel the problem is at. Because you'd probably ask me that if in February you had such beautiful date experiences, then what happened, right? After that, I stopped going everywhere. I'm just working. But the thing is that I feel, it's good till that point, but जहाँ पर वो emotional depth create करने की बात होती है, जहाँ पर things get real, जहाँ पर there's just more at stake. I just feel that I don't know if men are ready. Men today are more and more emotionally so depleted, right? And you can only give what you have, right? So if
Yeah.
you don't have the depth, you don't have the emotional clarity, how do you ever plan to give it to anybody else? You just can't. The number of men that I have met who said that they wanted relationships, who thought that they wanted relationships, but when it really came to a relationship, they just didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Right? And they wussed out.
Yeah.
So many men, they probably want it, but वही वाली चीज़ है कि
They're not ready
emotion
for
तो
it.
है,
हाँ.
but अब इसका क्या करना है ये हमको
ये
नहीं समझ में
पता.
आ रहा.
हाँ,
ठीक है?
खाली लेके बैठे हैं. इनफैक्ट मैंने ना एक रील देखी थी, एंड एक नहीं बहुत सारी रील्स है, एंड इट्स गॉटन वायरल आल्सो. सो द कंटेंट ऑन द इंटरनेट गोज लाइक कि मेन हैव 4 moods. ठीक है, उसमें एक जिम वर्कआउट, एक हसल जो ऑफिस में या काम पे अपने बिजनेस में कर रहे हो, एक विद योर पेरेंट्स एकदम ही ऐसे सबसर्विएंट सा दैट आई वांट टू डिवोट एवरीथिंग टू माय पेरेंट्स, और एक चौथा मूड क्या होता है तुम लड़कों का?
Horny?
हाँ, एक हॉर्नी. यस यू राइट. और एक हॉर्नी.
Yeah.
ठीक है. एंड हम पढ़ के हमें लगता है कि यार इतना ज्यादा सिंप्लीफाई कैसे कर सकते हैं. भाई, आई वाज शॉक्ड टू नो दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इट इज,
Yeah.
बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल दैट दे नो, एंड दैट इज हाउ दे ऑपरेट, एंड दैट इज
Right,
हाउ
yeah.
कंपार्टमेंटलाइज्ड देयर लाइव्स आर. अगर हम लड़कियां अपना मूड लिखने पे आ जाएं, देन आई थिंक वी विल एंड अप राइटिंग
are
लाइक अ
layered
500
beings.
page
Yeah,
book.
yeah. We are layered beings. Nothing is as black and white with us
Yeah.
as it is with men. We operate in the gray, right? I see so many girls confused, trying to read in between the lines, trying to make sense of a guy's actions, trying to reflect and see कि क्या हुआ होगा, कैसे हुआ होगा, क्यों हुआ होगा, because बट ये भी तो हो सकता था, बट हो सकता है उसकी मम्मी की तबीयत एक्चुअली में खराब से, और हो सकता है उसका करियर एक्चुअली में बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम से हैवी हो गया लाइफ में, और क्या पता एक्चुअली भी वो अपनी एक्स से ओवर नहीं हो पा रहा, वो मेरे साथ होना चाहता है बट ही डजंट नो व्हाट टू डू विद दोस फीलिंग्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स. बर्गर इन सेक्स इन द सिटी may have said it first, but because we all have goldfish memory, let me repeat for you girls. If a guy says that he really likes you, but the relationship is too much for him to take at this point, he's just not that into you. If a guy goes back home and doesn't book a second date with you already, he's just not that into you. If a guy can go a week without meeting you, he is just not that into you. If a guy takes 12 hours to reply to you just because he says he's busy, he's just not that into you. And if a guy, goes 24 hours without calling you, he's just not that into you. It is really as simple as that, because men really are simple creatures. They are go-getters. They go after what they want. So if a guy likes you, believe me, he will make it known. You will know if a guy likes you. He's going to book the second date. He's going to give you a call. He's going to try and meet you every time. Enough time has passed. Exclusivity. It's just how men work. मेरे को जो लगता है वो ये हो रहा है कि पहले उनका काम चल रहा था, you know, पहले इतनी इमोशनल अवेलेबिलिटी में और इतनी ही डेप्थ में, you know, उनकी नाव तैर रही थी, अभी तक चल रहा था. बट नाउ women have started to demand more, right? Because pehle women wanted men for a lot more other things in life, and that is what they were told also कि एक अच्छा लड़का ढूंढो और शादी करो, because you know you need safety, you need companionship, you need all of these things. Now the thing is that women are going and getting all of those things on their own, right? Which is why they are like, I don't need a man to put a roof over my head. I don't need a man to take me shopping. I don't need a man to feed me good meals. I don't need a man to take me on a trip. I can go with my girls. Why do I need a man? I need a man to make me feel something. I need a man to make me feel loved. You know, I need a man to really give me all those things that are missing in my life. And unfortunately, those are not material things anymore. Those are the emotional things. And because men are failing to provide that emotional depth, that nuance, women have stopped settling, which they were doing up till now, right? Until now. So, you know, it's like, women are like, हमको नहीं पूरा पड़ रहा, हम पीछे हट रहे हैं, और लड़कों को समझ नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि अब तक तो उनका काम चल रहा था और अब हो नहीं रहा है. So, you know, and also of course both the parties come with years and years of baggage and years of trauma, and somehow it's just a whole khichdi and everybody has diarrhea.
Yeah, fair enough.
Right?
Yeah. In fact, adding to this, there has been a study, जिसमें I think it was a Morgan Stanley study, which said that 45% women who were part of that survey have opted to go for a childless, marriageless life. And I honestly don't blame a lot of them, because at this point, like you said, if everything they can go and get for themselves, then all you really need is, you know, companionship in the true spirit.
Yeah.
And अगर वो ही lacking है, because emotionally, you know, लोग अडेप्ट नहीं फील कर पा रहे एक दूसरे के साथ, कंप्लीट नहीं फील कर पा रहे हैं, then obviously, you know, such statistics, such sad statistics actually I would call it, would be there.
Yeah.
Not sad for the women who choose to be single all their lives and live life like that. In fact, you know, somebody in my family has chosen very happily to live a life of, you know, where she gets to travel, to live a life of contribution. And she has very happily opted to not ever get married, and she's very certain about it. And I do think कि एक इंसान को वो हमेशा अपने आप को ना एक benefit of doubt देना चाहिए, that you will change your mind anytime. And you know, you should allow yourself to change your mind. Sometimes we're very hard on sticking to what we thought of one day. ये मेरा एक time पे principle था. बहुत time निकल गया. You evolve as a person, you grow as a person. It's okay to change your mind. But at this point, she is a source of inspiration for me. Whether or not I choose to have a companion for my life, I take a lot of heart from the fact that there is a woman that I know in my family who's chosen to go down this unconventional path, and you know, like, more power to her. But at the same time, अगर तो reason ये है उनकी तरह कि तुम्हें बस नहीं मन है
करनी
अपने
नहीं
आप
है,
को
बस
tie
नहीं
down
करनी,
करने का,
for
तुम्हें नहीं
whatever
करनी for
reason,
whatever reason तुम्हारा certain है, and it does not have to come from a bad dating experience or any experience, बस तुम्हारा मन नहीं है शादी करने का, तो बहुत ही अच्छा decision है. But अगर तुम ये decision इसलिए ले रहे हो क्योंकि तुम्हारा dating experience बुरा रहा है, then I think then that is sad, but that is also a problem that can be fixed. You know, how there are terminal illnesses that never get cured, but there are also, you know, illnesses like a cough and a cold, which can get cured. So I do think कि ये emotional maturity or emotionally same tangent पे होना is something that everybody can work on. And I think, you know,
No, I absolutely agree with you. I absolutely
people need to
agree
show up with a
you.
lot more heart
Yeah.
and soul
Yeah.
instead of calculations and mathematics.
Yeah.
And women and men alike.
Absolutely, no, I agree. I do feel that, you know, a lot of this is here. Right? Of course, there are bad experiences, but kiski life mein bad experiences nahi hote, right? You know, an average guy has 4 failed startups before the 5th one works, right? And all of us have failures in multiple other aspects of our life, but we do not villainize you know, success in that area. We don't stop working on ourselves or going after what we really want. But, you know, somehow relationships में, because probably इतना ज़्यादा दिल दुख जाता है ना कि, you know, you'd rather choose lifelong loneliness than, you know, risk getting your heart broken again. जिंदगी निकल जाती है एक अच्छा इंसान ढूंढने में, और वो एक इंसान जब हमें मिलता है तो हम किसी छोटी सी बात पे उसे जाने देते हैं, क्योंकि या तो हम खुद बहुत डरे हुए हैं या उसकी कोई एक छोटी सी चीज़ हमको पसंद नहीं आई, एंड वी थिंक पूरी ज़िंदगी पड़ी हुई है और इतने ऑप्शंस हैं तो, बट एक्चुअली में नहीं है यार, एंड करना चाहिए काम.
Yeah, I think everybody needs to start working on themselves because, nobody wants to go out on a date with a creep, and a creep can be a woman or a guy.
Yeah.
And at this point, everybody needs lessons on social etiquette.
Yeah.
Everybody needs lessons on how to be a better person and a better human being.
Yeah.
And everybody also needs lessons on calming down.
Yeah, very important. But anyway, so I saw this piece of content. It randomly popped on my feed, and it was something like that, men for the first time in history are not chasing women, and it's making
Yes.
women uncomfortable. We are not really dying for them. We're not desperate
Yeah.
for them, and we're not chasing them, which is why, women are so uncomfortable and all of that, blah, 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 blah. And 3 men that I follow, had liked the post.
Yeah.
Right? 3 men in my circle had liked the post, which is why that post probably, popped on my feed also. Believe in the idea that yes, there are good men out there who are capable of giving you good experiences. Similarly, men also need to understand that not every woman is a gold digger. Not every woman is here to take advantage of you or take that property from you which you don't have. Men also need to understand that they will need to be a lot more emotional, because just material provision is not enough for women anymore. So,
In
once
fact, material मत करो
चाहिए
material
नहीं,
provide.
कोई बात नहीं, मत करो, तुम अच्छे इंसान रहो.
Emotionally stimulate करना सीखो.
Yeah, और intellectually भी.
Or intellectually भी, वो तो of course,
Right.
like, हाँ,
You
as
know,
a
and
sapiosexual
once
guy.
both the parties, they start to form a fondness for each other and start giving each other chances, it will be a better world for all of us to find love in.
Yeah.
But this all starts with changing yourself first. I think at this point, all of us need to go to therapy.
Oh, yes.
Fix our traumas that are causing us to operate in patterns, break those unconscious patterns, so that you can also finally attract good things in life. I saw this quote somewhere, it was very cute, and the person goes like, tell me something romantic. And he's like, I'm taking therapy so I can love you better and I can be a better person for you. And I think in 2026, nothing defines romance better than this.
Yes,
Right?
yes,
Right.
yes. The next guy that I see, first of all, I hope he's the last guy that I date. So you better have taken your therapy lessons and then you come to me, because, and I will too. Okay,
मैं
I
यही
will
बोलने
too.
वाली थी, you're
हाँ,
defeating the
हाँ,
whole point of
ठीक
our
है,
episode.
ठीक है,
तू
आप
बोलेगी।
भी जाना, मैं भी जाऊंगी, हम दोनों हील होके एक दूसरे से मिलेंगे, एंड होपफुली उसके बाद हमें कपल्स थेरेपी नहीं जानी पड़ेगी.
हाँ.
बट अगर जानी भी पड़ेगी तो
तो
उसमें
कोई
भी कुछ
प्रॉब्लम
बुरा
नहीं है, हम प्रोपोगेट
वो भी
करते
बहुत
हैं, हम
सही है.
प्रोपोगेट करते
हाँ.
हैं थेरेपी और मेंटल वेलनेस.
हाँ.
We are a conscious wo.
हाँ.
And you know what? In light of all the beautiful things that we've just talked about, I have something very beautiful that I'd like to end this episode with. This is so beautiful, and we all need to really, really imprint on this. Until men and women start having honest conversations about who they truly are, what demons they are battling, where they lack, and what they truly want, love will continue to be a temporary emotion. Honesty and communication are key. So, maybe we need to start being vulnerable and start letting people see us truly.
Yeah.